selling them at this price.
Okay. So back for recording.
You want some bread? Needed this way.
Whatever. That's the gloves.
For the kitchen.
Okay.
Let me try how they look on me.
The long nails.
They're actually protecting me.
They look nice.
It's a good size, it will also fit you.
Mm.
I'll get more though. Maybe like 3 pairs or something. So, this is for garlic, ginger, mostly garlic. Kamukunji, they sell them very cheap, but you buy online. I compared the prices when I went there, and it's the same quality. So this is for this. Specifically got it for this. I don't know what else we can add here.
You should put. I think it's just supposed to stay like that. You should put a new roll.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a full one, a full
Yeah.
one. Do that. So these are for the kitchen drawer cabinets.
Just keep until you put those tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or you want to do it now?
No, it's
Until you do it tomorrow.
But let me see how it looks. They told me there are some which like move around when they start, like they are not stable. They assured me this ones will hold on the surface. Let's
Yeah, it's like plastic or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were selling each, I think, each 700.
That's
I think they assured me they're going to be enough.
They look enough.
I bought some because they come crunchy.
I bought a lot of makeup and some. But that's good thing. That's very good. We needed that, yeah?
Yeah. I love that.
You can hold the thing, yeah?
Yeah. And then it has a hole so it doesn't like store water. This I also got in Kamakunji.
That's very good. Instead of like the silicone ones, but I know you got some of the silicone.
Yeah, I got them, but just for my kitchen.
It's okay, just for show. Even though we're very vegan people.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
The bonnet thing.
I think it's baby color. They're nice. This is a pink one.
I'll just wear it like that as it is.
Okay, babe. When I go to town, I'll get you a nice camera though.
I don't mind and go live.
Look yourself up, baby.
Acha tuone comments zitakuwaje on YouTube. I won't even edit it out, I'll just leave it.
Here's what you've been asking for. Is it only coffee, babe? But anywho,
You're a strong lady. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Yeah,
such a
they call them ones, yeah?
Yeah. Look at this. How cute are they? And it's not, it won't
They
like
look so
uncoat.
nice.
Yeah.
Let's hope
They're
we won't
enough.
unquote. We'll update people
They
in a
actually
few months.
assured me, yeah, we should be up doing that.
I still must be made. They sure they will.
For sure. So, yeah.
Until we come panga these things tomorrow.
So far, so good.
Yeah, that's very good. Did a good job. That looks like alcohol.
It looks like an expensive booty.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, baby, you don't have to cut it. Let me show you.
Yeah, I'm unboxing my first.
You
I
open
don't
it
mess
like
with
how
my
you normally open the
nails.
whiskey.
Surprise!
Mm,
I love the color,
oh, the color looks nice.
and there's so many.
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. And the color is more. So I didn't buy a lot of cups. I just bought a few. I love more.
I have the rice.
Oh my god.
Mama,
Mommy, please don't. Why did he open the door now?
hello, Mama. You seen things? Oh, they look nice. I like the color. They're very
Nice.
nice,
I know
baby.
you love it. So this
Oh,
one.
good job, baby.
I bought this thing specifically for you.
Very good job.
Very nice. I think there's supposed to be one here and another one
Very
there.
good. You're just the best. Everything you do to perfection.
I try.
You must be applauded.
I don't know if that one is supposed to be there. I bought more cups. Does it look okay when it's loaded like that?
Yeah.
It looks
It
nice,
looks
but
okay.
I as a kitchen. So
I have the also. Say hi, Mama. Say hello.
I bought this time because the bar one keeps messing
You should have
up.
gotten the wooden one. Now we'll
But it
eat
keeps
plastics.
messing up.
No, I'll go to Carrefour and get the wooden
Wait,
one.
but
It's
this
okay.
is it like
I
plastic?
don't
Plastic?
that one. Yeah, it's plastic. I'll just go to Carrefour and buy the wooden. We'll buy a proper one, a big wooden one.
For the time being, we use this. Eh?
Yeah. And tomorrow,
Okay.
then the 25.
Oh, Mama, why is she here? Oh my
Okay,
god.
okay.
Ora simvunjie chochote.
She's a sister.
This ndio nataka confirm ndio ulisikia ngoto. Said
I was just telling you that you do changamka.
oh my god. Why would you do wait? I just want to show you.
I've seen the photo. I know they look nice. I've seen them in the restaurant
Oh my
before.
god, you know I didn't see them like touch.
They're like the restaurant ones.
Let me see one
Just
thing.
and theater.
Guys. It looks
Have
nice.
your visitors.
Yeah.
Ziosho zikiko pale kwa ile drawer yako pale chini.
Yeah, but I already bought the things for
For arranging
arranging them.
Okay. But plates, we have many nice food plates.
Yeah.
Even the other ones, we have a very nice plates.
Wait. Let me use this box. Dishes again and put your
Tuambia ntia zioshe azipange. Hata hizo makoto. Hata microwave ataweka kesho basi. What do you think?
And your babe. I'm so excited about this one. Huh? Yeah. I'm so excited. So let's start with this one.
I literally forgot about the pots. Oh my god.
Are you kidding me?
I
What is
forgot
in your head?
because we unboxed so many things. I forgot we even had pots.
But that's what I'm playing right now.
Lol. Those are the pots.
Yeah, babe.
Oh my goodness, surprise people. Here comes the pots.
Ta-da!
Oh my goodness, they
Babe,
look
these
so
ones.
nice.
I'm telling you, I nailed it here. Eh? This one, we nailed it, my love. Look at. I just want you to hold this. I just want you to hold it.
The quality here.
Just hold it.
Wow, it's heavy. You can tell it's actually
It's going
iron
to,
cast.
yeah, it's going to stay
You can
like
tell
for
this
some
is
time.
heavy pot.
Really nice. I wanted red, but my husband said I should go with white.
They're so big,
But they
that is
look
heavy.
nice.
You
I
can
love
tell
it.
You can tell it's good quality.
Yeah.
It was worth that amount of money.
Totally worth it. Totally worth it. And the good thing, set ni kitu itanguka ivunjike, but it's, it's also good to take care.
That's the two opportunity.
Look at the cover. It's so heavy.
It's so heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Let me
Actually,
show
it's
guys.
heavy.
Yeah. It's so heavy. Oh, mama, stop. Look at this, guys.
It's written super cool.
Yeah, it's matching with my nails. Guys, look at this. How massive is this? How beautiful is this? It's a cooking pot. Well. Do we really need this anymore? Okay. Gosh.
Mama, where did you get that? From the mixer.
Oh my
Check
god!
them, there.
The way she's so
Put them on the table. This whole box is pots.
Yeah.
The whole box. Okay. The box. So
Yeah.
the company is called the box, or the pot company is called the box.
I don't even know, but what I know, it was called what was the name of that? The name of the pots. Enamel, something, yeah?
Iron cast enamel. Enamel coated.
Baby. Look at this, baby. Oh, this one is giving me vibes, baby.
Even I have decided to feel this.
I'm even salivating just thinking
it's
about
so heavy
what
she
can
can't
make
lift it.
Mommy, no,
Wow,
be careful,
ma.
don't touch yourself.
Oh my goodness. You look nice, baby. Very beautiful. Very nice
I
box.
thank God. I thank God for all this.
I'm so
And I
happy
thank
for
God
you,
my
in the
husband.
kitchen.
Thanks to you, babe, too.
It's Jesus.
You support me in everything
It's all
I
Jesus.
want.
Amen. It's all Jesus.
Do what you can. God bless you every day. God bless you more and more.
Jesus.
Sorry, that's nice. Anyway, jump on them. Dance on them. You cannot break them, girl. Another one? Well.
Oh, that looks nice for making the eggs and the sausages.
Yeah. Ooh. Guys, did you hear that sound? That's real.
Iron cast
Iron
sound.
cast, guys. Baba, you guys go to the room. Kindly give me space. I don't know to cut this box bit. And if I'm talking to you, go to the room so that I can also go to the room. Go and close that door kindly before she comes out. Baby, it's too much out here. But it's all worth it. It's all worth it. Oh, this is the one of the pots and the cover. No, pot. Oh, it's one pot. It's separated by a pot.
It's so heavy that you think it's
I thought it was too. Oh, gosh. Guys. The Kenyan chicken right here. Oh my god. Are you excited about my kitchen, babe? Like I am.
I'm excited too. That's the cover.
So pretty. So pretty.
You can't compare the other ones that you wanted to buy.
I
The
thank God
Bosch
I didn't go for Bosch, granites, yari.
That was nonsense.
That was bullshit. Unajua? Baby, I've been doing that research. I didn't know how much I wanted good pots. And then every time I go to check those ones, then you wanna say they're the best quality. I don't feel them. And they're just specific shops which had this one. Pots. This is its cover. Oh my god, babe. Wow, this one has some deco. Look at this, guys. This is for this one. Right here. Babe, I'm cooking dinner with this. We're supposed to do them. What first? What is it called?
Put them on fire, just pour some olive oil on them and sear the olive oil.
Yeah.
Let it burn like that olive oil for a while.
Yeah. I'm so excited. I think we're done. Oh, there's another one. Damn, guys. I thought I'm done too. Box.
And the box, I think that's the biggest one.
The pots could be. I don't even remember what the picture was like. I'm more mesmerized seeing the real thing also. Hata kwa shop haiko inakaa hivi. I think this is the small one. Yeah, it is. They look so nice. But I'm just talk to you right now. Go and close the door, please, so that I doesn't come. Now, kindly, Baba has already ordered. Wait. And I'm still tired of this. Please go, Baba. I'm tired of the game. Look.
Please go and close that door.
Playing game. That's it, my love. I'm super excited. Super. Now let's do the microwave and that's it, yeah?